I have a solution for you, the best electric cookie press. With this gadget, it is effortless to make cookies with a lovely, even shape. As the cookie making process is almost instant when using this handy gadget, you get to finish the work much faster. That means birthday parties and other fun events will be a lot more enjoyable and affordable for you. The joy of owning a good electric cookie gun is that it's not just for cookies. You can use it to make a whole range of other treats, including cakes, cupcakes, canapes, butter rosettes, candy, and more. Today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best electric cookie press in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart CCP10 Electric Cookie Press. Cuisinart is a well-known and respected brand in the food preparation sector. For anyone seeking useful cooking tools, Cuisinart seldom disappoints. That's why it just had to kick off this list for us. Whether you're a beginner or an expert cookie decorator, the Cuisinart CCP10 might be the best electric cookie press for you. It excellently combines beauty with versatility and ease of use. The first feature that caught my eye when scrutinizing this unit was all the discs and decorating tips. I figured with all the accessories, users could achieve a wide range of shapes and decorative features. This press comes with 12 discs with varying hole arrangements, so you can create broad assortments of cookies. Plus, there are 8 tips for decorating your cookies, cupcakes, and cakes. Pros: 12 discs for a wide range of cookie shapes. 8 versatile tips for varying decoration needs. A transparent barrel allows you to see the amount of dough left. Cons: not up to Cuisinart quality. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 14-piece Cookie Press Set. What you need to know: this versatile cookie cutter has a stylish, lightweight design and is great for whipping up professional-grade pastries. What you'll love: it has a sleek design and comes with 12 discs, which you can store in the included case. It's clear so you can see how much dough is left. What you should consider: some customers report that there were parts missing. Creating an impressive, consistent cookie is a cinch with the OXO Good Grips 14-piece cookie press set. The non-slip base keeps the press steady so you get uniform cookies with a simple pump of the large, comfortable lever. Our press disassembles quickly for thorough cleaning. The set includes a convenient storage case for 12 durable stainless steel discs: daisy, flower, sunflower, fleur-de-lis, butterfly, bear, shell, leaf, heart, snowflake, tree, and wreath. Pros: creates consistent cookies with the press of a lever. A non-slip base keeps cookie press steady. A clear body shows how much dough is left. Cons: cookie size isn't worth the effort. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Wearever Super Shooter Electric Cookie. When looking for an electric cookie shooter, what you probably have in mind is a gadget that moves dough effectively, something that is not a pain to operate. If that's what you're seeking, you definitely want to check out the Wearever Super Shooter Electric Cookie. This little machine comes with 9 versatile discs, allowing you to make a variety of shapes. I like the available shapes, especially the heart, star, and Christmas shapes, which I think match the holiday seasons perfectly. Another thing I like about the discs is that they're metallic. Unlike the plastic discs that some cookie presses come with, these metal ones are rigid, so the shapes come out accurately and beautifully. Pros: clear tube for viewing the dough level. 9 discs for making a variety of cookie shapes. Free idea book for shooting cookies. Cons: up but difficult to load. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 4. Wilton Preferred Press Cookie Press. Press to impress with this unique cookie tool. The Wilton Preferred Press Cookie Press makes it easy to make and bake beautiful spritz cookies with minimal effort. Bakeware for every day and every occasion. This Wilton Cookie Press comes with 12 fit-right discs in these shapes: Christmas tree, wreath, snowman, pumpkin, turkey, dots, doily, pinwheel, heart, starburst, and biscuit. Performance: the Wilton Press has an ergonomic hourglass shape so it's easy to hold, a see-through design so you know when to refill it with dough, and a soft grip trigger so you can press out dozens of cookies quickly. Quick clean. Hand washes the Wilton Cookie Press in warm, soapy water, rinse, and dry thoroughly. Includes 12 different shaped discs and a preferred press cookie press. Cookie press dimensions: 8, 75x11x2, 6 inches. Pros: battery operated, hence absolutely portable. 12 discs with beautiful versatile shapes. 4 accent tips for adding and filling. Cons: with the barrel was longer. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 5. Konreiken Clear Cookie Press with Decorating Tips and Storage Box. Did you volunteer to bake cookies for the fundraiser? Konreiken Clear Cookie Press and Storage Box 9. White makes and decorates dozens of bakery-quality cookies fast. The cookie press creates adorable ribbons, stars, flowers, lettering, heart, wreath, dinosaur, and bats, as well as special discs to make cheese straws. Plus, the recipe book provides tried-and-true cookie dough recipes. Keep your cookie press kit together and safe in the white plastic storage case. You can make special occasion cookies with one hand tied behind your back with the one-handed operation and durable stainless steel trigger. The see-through barrel allows you to see how much dough is left in the press. All parts disassemble for quick cleanup. The entire unit is dishwasher safe. It also comes with 6 decorating tips and a storage box. Recipe and instruction booklet included. Pros: press extrudes cookie dough through 14 unique steel discs. 6 decorating tips. Dishwasher safe. Recipes included. Cons: pretty good, but could be improved. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.